Alright, Abuzia. I say President John Dramani Mahama any the NDC abai. For Ububia and Ghanafuo. Abuzia for your home manner, Kratabi, a babon to say, Yura, the IGP. Let's see, or per se, say, you say, and on this year. The age limit as soon as it was so retirement. Na fa will be for no benny. Na Katana a babon teacher say this man or an yen say person or call a general na or per se a man contract. And the time you know or say Ghanafuo is a man contract in a bit of bed to Abu for 2 more years. Na Bisa questions. President John Dramani Mahama will be catching Ghanafuo say, what by for na basono? There's no way Ubia a time as soon say or call Gina women and ya dear who government will be Sani panel and as a man contract be na then I may mass and fitchy. Near mana mwaka say, and a man mwaka Ghanafuo say, and ya dear will begin to know. By me, who said the same thing ever. I say, a boy, a friend, who Ghanafuo who say. Now, question I'm for people, some reason say, a Juma Papa Bay Crana. You oh, yeah, government and crap say, on Santinasu. Now, on 20 Jumas. I was young Ghanafuo people, Ekasa. Oh, my uncle, they got in some. Ghanafuo bisa President John Dramani Mahama over IGP.
Aba me tete semi na mahu krata bi. Sa krata no na free presidency. The office of the president. Mampanyi John Dramani Mahama na ban ho a. I'll be sad to say na meti asem foforo.
You can we also be reset to
na me atoma aka just hey obeko in retirement na ben yohunu IGP. December. Walk retirement. The amount is Mampanyi John Dramani Mahama. Any police council, some police council no, when I done and you're the vice president. When I appoint IGP, and you're the president. So by extension, say walk retirement. What the battery more Jim near Bemana to Aswa. A decision of the president. Because the vice president chairs the police council. Common sense. The common amenudino. Meanwhile, men can't say, where IP address system in me, but me educated Ghana for me so can you. Because armed forces no Mampaini Nadano one airplane. So the bus stops with Mampaini no. About police council no, the vice president, Jenano Poku and Edano, the bus stops with her. And this IGP Nemrason says or Kwahunjim, near Cassia extension by extension a year Mampaini and the vice president, our police council no and the person IGP you what was what was any problem. So we Juma a so near see at one swa. Many problem here. Menyama sum jena mi piobi metatamia mini problem. But mi problem is here Benjamin Payini John Dramani Mahama no flip no floppy. Tenkomana menudi no. Mechanic.
You can we also be reset to
will be a flippy no floppy. Want to mean take a decision a concrete decision. Me decision here the Americano and the Hodu and you'll be able to take a decision net. China was say Masia Daniel Butu. So in my first school, the tab book, and I'm sure you, you're on the pen and paper. What try I say, want to take a decision, man. John, my Facebook says here, Kratabi, there are 2 Facebook says here, making candy tree. No, what you want them? Dated April 2, 2025. Yamo France 2nd April, no, 2025. I feel we April Bosome, Easter Bosome. Office of the President. People told me they are to Facebook Live. We better join me. Say we screen so. was a suspension of the grant of contract appointments.
107.3.
Your person can you now say, sir, your contract will be someone year Juma. Now, year Juma Noah. Nemra so, now say, Memra so, may call retirement, your age limit for BBR. Chief Justice, 70 years. Enti, Mami Yusu Chief Justice. After 70 years, no, Mampain is 1 year extension via Mano, Nemra so, one call. Nyansa ni baako 14 mampanyin krata na otoro you and to see the grant of post retirement contract appointments to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect. Yedi kan no mampanyin na kan yame that means that we are public servant obi a we are buy adwuma enim wo mre so say wo call retirement 2nd April 2025, Mampaina Setine Clerk, Sawo Meraswa, and Yafana May extension, Mammy, one Meraswa, call, Yabemo Kofie, and Yawan Kwan and Yansa Wotim. Was say such appointment will no longer be conceded. That means I want you to, wouldn't Yansa saying, wouldn't dear saying, one you to. Well, we are in a point 3 no sign stating the clear. Since our directives no man paying John Dramani Mahama, what the abano will be any so compliance. Umpo, as a would so, and I was different compliance. And it's a man paying truck away 2nd April 2025. Near November 2025. Now, yet is a IGP Yohunu. O say extension, but where you crack an episode. O say extension, and the amount IGP. Nothing be and say, O can't someone. With all respect to the seat of the president. Ghanafuo Uniana. With all respect to the seat of the president. Some Ampainia Sadia were here. That means that some previous will take a decision. What percent Ghanafuo taking it serious. And on person Ghana for fun say Yakabisa keke, Yakagum and Yakagum, Yakutogum, Niako, because Yakasa Ghana for short memory. We don't have short memory. We don't have short memory. Countryman Pain John Toman, my young we don't have short memory, Bill. And to assure man Paini no person Ghana for only say, why a man Paini will take a decision a hodu, Yanina near today. Young for Buomano, some Mampani be able to Kunyaswa. Yeah, this are respect no at the man because or your Mampani, Utumuta, your Mampani, and your Casamwa wouldn't so.
Mahama ever catch a Ghana for you see, or Mugana for ticket. You see, or bit me show a name a dun draw extra one. Not one of us a wide from another 2 of our Omu. Omu. Of course, I watch me. It's a bit me. I do a pediatric show, and so we share April 2nd, 2025. Office of the President, suspension of the grant of contract appointment. John Mahama, the secretary, Dr. Callistus Mahama, Secretary to the President. 2nd April 2025. Let her know lines miensa. Sentences means the grant of post-retirement contract. Post-retirement say why you man walk out me gym. Nanga so kofi no abanse da bi ya ma contract bi abosumi miensa bosumi nsia afe enfie mienu na to aso ye adwuma no aban John Dramani Mahama se wo twam ebi nsi bi otinton tan. 2nd April 2025. The grant of post-retirement contracts appointment to retired public service staff has been suspended with immediate effect. Consequently, all requests for such appointment will no longer be considered. 3. Kindly take note of this directive and ensure strict compliance. Signed, Dr. Callistus Mahama, Secretary to the President. And no Poya Kweda Soreya IGP Tete Yohonu, Abranya say ni shoe ni friend say. Abranya say the shoe ro no. Na shoe no. Abranya say ya to bo. Tungumza say. Na no gonga say shoe kakoma. Yesu akwa ye nyinyire bai. Ye ka obi shoe ho sama yesu shoe kakoma. Anaza ushe boku. Ana bomu. Anaza abogu. Na tungumza de.
Sasa bi ye ya ba.
Enna no poye koda. Enna say President John Mahama. Eni NDC for. Emu Ghana for. Na omu fa say sebe ya nwinti. Omu ka asem ne. E che no ba ya de foforo. Krata ye ba ye 25th November 2025. Re-engagement as Inspector General of Police. Mami kinkan ni nyina mfa. Na kata no kami huni. I write to inform you that following the recommendation of the Police Council in accordance with the relevant provisions governing the administration of the Ghana Police Service, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic, has approved your re-engagement for an additional 2 years upon the attainment of the statutory retirement age in December 2025. Your re-engagement takes effect from 28 December 2025. During this period, you shall continue to serve as the Inspector General of Police and discharge the duties and responsibilities attached to the office. 3. The present decision reflects the Council's firm conviction that your continued leadership is essential to sustaining ongoing reforms, strengthening operational effectiveness, and ensuring stability within the Ghana Police Service at this critical period. 4. You are kindly requested to indicate your acceptance. Now we will of this re-engagement in writing within 3 days upon receipt of this letter. Please accept, Mr. Inspector General, the assurance of the highest consideration of His Excellency the President. Copied, Christian Teto Yohunu, Inspector General of Police. Signed, Callistus Mahama, PhD, Secretary to the President, and copied to the Vice President, Jubilee House Accra, the Chief of Staff, Jubilee House Accra, the Minister for Interior Ministries. John Dramani Mahama. When can you be trusted? When can you be a man of your own words? When can you live as an example to many who look up to you?
Papa no edru baby a o ka no kra kire ne yam fi adwene nkoho was it when to take a decision man?
No, we are not going to say campaign. We are within truck a crack. No kind of crack a crack. It's a no one over the enemy.
So to take
we're going to know 2 minutes. 2nd April. And I can you say, Sana Moe, Obia to Bio. There's a big problem the Badawa. It will not be considered. There's a wood you put and where the home come up. And I can't want to take a decision. So what changed? And the issue is the Ghana Police Service better off under IGP's administration? And one can say, and no Sukran Pontino, Edian and Juma near one and Monday by War Pontino, Yamana Twasso. The Ghana Police Service today. Ghanafuo, Yakayo, Namonti said this NDC party. And near man no more position no more cannot add dead the do. What we said that for Quentin man and now to be yes, some Ghana Busia for. And to the way he now be Uncle Sankai, Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, and MPP. No man for MPA, but Uncle Twaba. No one but what to the Sumpa 20. Nandy said, to me. They succeeded in doing that. And yet, to about the mouth.
abusuya IGP tete yohonu samre ya me no kasa de police council wakwa akotena se omo ma ne 2 years extension na IGP yenyina nim se ne time ebe so 27 December me kire okọ pension nanso police council emprempren omakwa akotena se oma sama ne 2 years enti President John Dramani Mahama onhwe na wa accept sa de no emfa emomo na asem we beto odwa na Ghana fo bebrebu sa se yeti kromo na emre de yewura President John Dramani Mahama si so no onam the secretary to the president Kalistus Mahama edi krata beto abonten se na se obi ko pension ena ye be extend na man contract ni ade no ono yewura John Mahama mamodie onso so sa krata no eba on the 2nd of April 2025 na me no de me wanwane se ohwe police council na de woye police council omo chairman the vice president ye maame Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman ono no nso nimpefe se yewura Mahama de krata ba abonten se contract sem de onso so enti ade kura na police council mo be kwa akotena se mo ba be take that decision no na mo de akwa akoma president na president accept it. Police council no uche omo form ya the vice president ka ho the interior minister ka ho na afei yenuanum senior police officers o makwa retirement no omo representative ewom na afei attorney general anase a representative ka ho Ghana Bar Association so wo lawyer ono so ye den ka ho na mebusa me ho say sankofo we nyina enim krata ya yewura President Mahama enam Kalistus so de beto abonten no enti ade enti kɔ na mekwa akotena se akɔfa again wa abram nim say president na making the stance clear say contract sem no onso so assemble akokra ye say busa ne say edi adwumadie poten na yewura tete yohonu wadi a wasan here 2 years adwumadie ben IGP yetimi kɔto tuo bo ne ka mu na ebesi samre yenhu de sa asem na kwakosi no o san aka che Ghana for say ye extend no say on san to 2 years enti ye say busa ye ho say ene chief justice ayede na ba betina so yi so ono so time so amobeba be pre say ye man contract anase den adia bi wo ho a eni kwa say kwatena se kra say ye adwene ho anya hwe ye wo police officers a omo Ghana police a omo nso no equally omo betimi abedi position no a obiti wa onim say ono na sa position no so ayede adu ne so nipa no wakọ pension amoma ne nkọ because wabaye de obetimi am oman no ebibie ni ho foforo bi ma oba beye nothing new ayedada na entinude ni extension ene ye pese ye ni say mumma nipa ne nkotena se no wonwene ne ho because IGP tete yohonu na anim say ono wabre omo de contract extension ena wey ena ne time aso yensa ma ne nkobiam sa na o ma be ka kire Ghana for say ai ne sa na tie dia President Mahama kra no ye ma ne nkote time de mo ye nyina Ghana fo ahunu and there is no way Ghana for be accept sa nyoma and the IGP tete yohonu am pese by force mo man contract ni ade no mo njai na mo because you police fo ni bi o ha o betimi adi dwumade na bro se de IGP tete yohonu